Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by launching the Snipping Tool so you can grab exactly what you need. Once open, pick a mode, rectangular is the fastest for most tasks, and set a delay if you need menus visible. Make sure your target window is ready. Hiding toolbars first reduces clutter. You'll notice the cursor changes for each mode. That visual cue helps you frame shots accurately. After choosing options, click New to begin the capture process and prepare to select the area you want. Once you click New, drag from one corner to the opposite to capture the exact region. Release to freeze the image in the editor. You can annotate immediately. Use pen for precise marks, highlighter for emphasis, and eraser to remove mistakes. If you need a different frame, choose Cancel and try again. Repeated tries are fast and precise. When satisfied, use File Save As or press Ctrl+S. Choose PNG for lossless quality or JPG for smaller files to match your needs. After saving, copy to the clipboard with Ctrl+C if you want to paste into an email or document quickly. If Snipping Tool won't open, map the print screen key to open it in Settings or use Windows+Shift+S as an alternative. These shortcuts bypass some launch errors. If captures fail, restart the app and check Windows Ink services. Conflicts there can block annotations. Finally, reboot if needed. That often clears hung processes so screenshots work again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.